फ्रेंड्स टुडे हम डिस्कस करेंगे प्लांट किंगडम के बारे में. ओके, इनिशियली आवर यार्ड स्टार्ट विथ टू टाइप ऑफ living things. One is animal, another is plant. Okay, that you know. In scientific word, that plant is known as the flora and the animal is known as the fauna. Okay, plant refers to flora and animal refers to fauna. These are two groups when our earth initiated. Okay, टुडे हम डिस्कस करेंगे ये प्लांट और फ्लोरा किंगडम के बारे में. ओके, as we know that cell is the entity of a general life or general animal or general plant. In that way, that plant or that flora kingdom is actually required, is actually needed object for survival of the earth and that plant. Okay, so how? See here, flora is needed object of earth because that plant is a autotroph. Plant is a autotroph. What do you mean by autotroph? Autotroph means that plant creates food for itself. Okay, itself, and that we take to survive. Okay. Sometimes what happens, either we consume either a base, that means it is directly from plant, or the in other way we can consume that non-base, which is the indirect of from plant. How indirect from plant? Let we consume 1 kg chicken. Okay, let us chicken. Okay, chicken is comes from egg. Egg is comes from that our hen. No, what that hen eat to form. Then it will eat some type of small animals, animals. Okay, then that small animals eat that plant product. So ultimately that plant product is responsible to form that chicken that we eat. Okay, that means everything. You can take every meat, every type of thing, all are related with our plants. So plant is our basic entity. Okay, so I request all of you to plant 2 trees in every year. 2 trees, only 2 trees in every year. This is good. 2 trees in every year. This is having a very good habit and very good impact on our earth. Okay, so please then see here what happens again. Now we have to we are going to discuss about that flora or plant. First of all, there are several types of plants in our earth, and there are 30 lakh varieties of plant in our earth. Okay, 30 lakh varieties of plants, and that plant kingdom gives us everything. You know that I don't have to discuss that thing on you, that it gives us oxygen, that you know. It gives us food, fruit, shelter, food, shelter, then everything that is from that plant kingdom. And that 20% oxygen are from Amazon forest. Remember this one, Amazon forest. This is the biggest forest biggest or largest forest in the world. Okay, and remember another thing. It touches the boundaries of 7 countries. It touches the boundaries of 7 countries and maximum part in Brazil. Okay. This is a factual information about Amazon forest. This is the factual information about plant kingdom. Okay. Now goes to some parts of plant. Okay. Parts of plant. See. Parts. Genuinely, as a basic classes, we can divide the plant as 3 parts. Okay, as 3 parts. First part is your root, second one is your stem, and third one is your leaf. As this is the first or basic class, I divide the plant into 3 parts. Then next thing will comes to your next classes. This is a higher things. Okay, root. What is that root? What is the function of root and where is the root? Root means root is situated at the end of a tree, which connect our earth with tree, whose transport mineral and water. This is some functions and this is some what functions of root. Root is situated at the end of the tree, which connect our earth with the tree, whose transport mineral and water. Okay, this is the functions of root. Then comes to stem. Stem is like the transport organ, whose to what transport that mineral to leaves. Transport the mineral to leaf. Okay, and that leaf is the kitchen of a plant. Okay, that leaf is the kitchen of plant. That means that the glucose or that starch that we consume as this is the C6H12, this is a reminder, and that is found in that leaf in the process of photosynthesis. How? By trapping sunlight. Okay. I'll take a special class on that photosynthesis. This is a big and vast chapter. Okay, so I'll take a special class on that photosynthesis only. So this is the general thing that now we have to draw a picture of a tree. Let this is a tree. And take it as a. If I am very poor in drawing. Okay, and this is the tree and this is the leaf. Okay, see. That means there is a main root, there is a sub root. There is so much thing to understand about every part of a tree. So I am not discuss that part. I will take the basic class only, and that absorbs the mineral and water. Okay, there is only remember there is a transmission spool. Okay, which takes this water from here to here, because some that coconut tree you can say that coconut tree is 10 meter to 15 meter. And how that water comes here, goes to here, there is no motor, there is no science mechanism, but how there is three mechanism that we have to discuss in a later video. This is the basic class. So just remember that the root transmit the water from to leaf, and leaf traps the sunlight from here and makes the glucose. Okay. This is the part of plants. Then comes to our how a plant grow. What is the initiated of a plant? How plant grows? See here. How plant grow? Growing of plant. Growing of a plant. How? Maximum plants grow from their seeds. Okay, so what is that seed? Seed is covered by a strong and rigid material which saves the seed for a long time. It can be inactive for a day, for some days, for some month, and for some year also. That seed can inactive for some day, for some month, or for some year. After that seed grows, and the seed may be to germinate to form plant. What is the germination? Germination is the process by which that our seed converts to a plant. This is the process. Okay, that germinates takes a proper criteria, proper situation where that strong and rigid materials got destroyed and that seeds comes to germinate. Okay, what are that significant criteria? See here. First one is your proper temperature, then oxygen, then water, then light, and also some food. When these some criteria is satisfied, then at that time that seed germinate to form a plant. Otherwise that seed can be destroyed if there takes a lot of time. Okay, so this is the growing of a plant by the seed. Okay, some plants also grows by their branches also, and that अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे पोलिनेशन के बारे में. ओके, व्हाट इज दैट पोलिनेशन? Pollination is the process by which the seeds can generate. Okay, how? See here. When pollen grain from anther sticks with stigma, maybe from that pollen grain and stigma from a same plant or different plant from same species. Okay, different plant from same species. If when the pollen grain and stigma are joined together, then the sticky substance takes that pollen grain. That's why this pollen grain attached with the stigma and forms the seed. Okay, this is the case by which as when male gametes and female gametes forms zygote. Okay, then comes to next thing. After pollination, so we have go for, okay, there is another topic in pollination, that how that pollen grains goes. Pollen grains goes by the vector. That vector may be air, may be water, may be some we can say that some animal name, some butterfly, some bird, because of the attracting nature and the feeling of the fragrance of that flower, that butterfly, that flower, and that animals goes to that flower and take the pollen from one species of plant to another species of plant. Okay, this is all about pollinations. This is the process. This is the short descriptions how pollinations becomes and how the seed is formed. Okay, now we have to discuss another type of special type of plant. Special type of plant. See here, what is that special type of plant? From above discussions or from previous discussion, we conclude that plant is a autotroph. Plant is a autotroph and it can forms their food by itself. But some plant are heterotroph also. Heterotroph. And it takes animal like frog, like small frog and another small insects. Okay, another small insects. Next example is Venus flytrap. Okay, this can be example of the plant which is heterotroph. Then another, there are so much that type of plant, but you have to now remember that Venus flytrap, which is a heterotroph plant, which attract that, which can eat the animals like frog or other small insect. Okay, then comes to types of plant. Genuinely types of plant in a basic medium. Types of plant. Plant can divide into two part. One is the flowering, another is the non-flowering. Okay. Flowering plants means the plant having flower. Non-flowering means plant don't have flower. Okay. That's flowering plants are 90% seen in our world, and that 10% is a non-flowering plant. You can easily know that mango, our so much plant. You can take mango, banana, and your brinjal. You can take any plant which all are flowering plant, and the non-flowering plant is very less. You can take the example of non-flowering plants as which can there is so much example of non-flowering plant. Okay, we have to discuss in another class about the non-flowering plant. Now comes to this all about the plant kingdom, and that this is the basic class. We don't have to discuss more thing about the plant kingdom. We have to take a huge discussion about plant. Okay, because we all know that plant is a big entity for us. It is works like a cell. It works like a creature of our world. So save plant, save human, save earth. Okay, finally have to like, share and subscribe my channel. That's why I could be motivated by your that liking, sharing and subscribing. So that's all for today. Thank you.